Hey everybody, it's Miss Kristin and who are you?
Ollie Michael.
And we are coming to you from our backyard, and today we'd like to show you an easy way to do something fun with stuff you have. All we're using is baking soda, shampoo, and a little bit of food coloring, and we're gonna make some Play-Doh with it. Yup, we are in our own backyard, and we found all of this stuff in our house somewhere. Okay, so without further ado, yeah, we're going to put 1 cup of baking soda into this empty container.
Get me some.
I will. You're gonna do the honors, yeah? Here, we use this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hold it over here? That's a half a cup. This is 1 cup, so I'm gonna pour it into our cup. Outside. All right. Now, can you dump it in there? Good job. All right. So next, we're going to put about a tablespoon of shampoo or dish soap or whatever you have some more of in there as well. I like to be outside when it's sunny. I just do. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feels good. And we can go outside in our backyards, can't we? And be with our families?
Yeah.
So now we're going to stir our mixture.
Yup, guys.
And please keep in mind that it's going to be the same color as your shampoo.
Yup. And I'll do it.
Unless
And do this one.
you find some food coloring somewhere. And we're gonna stir that in too. Why not? And for the sake of showing you guys how to do this, we will... Don't put it in your mouth, please.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're going to knead it. And we're going to smush it all up.
Yep.
And it looks like our Play-Doh is a little dry. So, what we're going to do is throw another squeeze of shampoo in. You want to give it a knead, bud?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, how about it? And you knead the Play-Doh, and it's becoming pliable.
Pliable. Yeah.
Pliable.
Pliable.
So when we get just the right amount of liquid in it,
What's wrong with my hand?
it's got food coloring on it, and that will wash.
A what?
It'll wash. So here, you want to use the roller on that and show everyone how easy this is to use and manipulate. And there we go. We have some Play-Doh. Now keep in mind that when we do things like this, we have to be prepared to make a mess. I like to put old sheets down or paper bags.
Yep.
So that we can keep our homes and our earth safe and clean.
Let's do this again.
Let's do this again.
Yeah.
All right, friends, if you have any ideas of anything you would like to see us do or help you do at home, please don't hesitate to shoot us a message. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, everybody.